Yes, someone steal our bag. We don't know why. We have a passport.
Ona, wewe jana ulipita jioni kutoka huko. Uliingia kwa barabara hadi gari ingine ikakufuata. Sai tena umefanya hivyo. Wewe.
My bag. What's your name? No. Hey, well, yeah.
What's your name? You still our wife here. And why are you making noise here? Well, let's check it.
In the back. Yes, in the back.
So your bag is there.
Oh, go.
Don't worry.
No, we have to check. We worry. Come on, protect us.
Go there and check with the officer there.
Your office?
Yeah. With the officer there. Man, are you going to